Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. How to edit title on a YouTube channel. We have your steps instruction. Number 1, go to your YouTube channel. Number 2, click manage videos. Number 3, you will see video, shorts, live. Click nyo lang po yung video needs to edit the title. Number 4, click nyo po yung 3 dots sa gilid. Number 5, may option po, popping up, save playlist, save video, promote, edit advanced setting in studio, save device, delete. Click nyo lang po yung edit. Next po, number 5, go to title, edit nyo po. Number 6, click save after putting the title. Number 7, check if edited successfully. Video update. So everything is alright. Be mindful, be fully informed. Thanks for watching this video. Pa-like, subscribe. Gracias.